Good morning, respected chairperson, Mr. Asim Daruwala sir, our beloved principal, Mrs. Yasmin Daruwala ma'am, our ever cheerful Shifa ma'am, esteemed members of the management committee, dear parents, dedicated teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the annual function of Greenwood School. There can be no program without thanking the Almighty for what we are, what we have, and how happy we are. So, I call upon the head girl and head boy of our school to start the program with our school prayer. Vedant Belekar, Manasvi Halure, requesting you to come to stage.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
I request you all to join your hands and close your eyes.
God bless Greenwood School, a school that we love. Stand beside her and guide her through the lights, by the sides, from above. In the classrooms, on the playgrounds, on the roadways where we roam. God bless Greenwood School, a school that we love. God bless Greenwood School, a school and home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, children. This year, we gather here to celebrate a theme that resonates deeply in the hearts of every Indian, patriotism. Today, as we come together to honor this beautiful and inspiring theme, let us remember that patriotism is not just about loving our nation. It is about understanding the responsibilities it as citizens, cherishing our rich heritage and striving to contribute to our country's progress. India is a land of unparalleled diversity and profound unity, where countless cultures and languages, traditions blend seamlessly. Patriotism, in its truest sense, is a thread that binds us all together despite our differences. It is a spirit that inspires us to dream big, to rise above challenges, and to work towards building a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Our annual function this year is not just a celebration, but also a tribute to the heroes who have paved the way for the freedom and opportunities we enjoy today. From the valor of our freedom fighters to the dedication of those who continue to serve and protect our nation. Their sacrifices remind us of the value of unity, courage, and selflessness. The students and staff of Greenwood School have worked tirelessly to bring this theme to life through an array of performances, including dance, music, drama, and art, all of which reflect the beauty and strength of our nation. Each act is a heartfelt effort to showcase the meaning of patriotism and its relevance in our lives today. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to our parents for their unwavering support and to our teachers for their tireless efforts in nurturing our students. It is our dedication that helps us to shape young minds and guide them towards becoming responsible, compassionate citizens of our country. Finally, to our dear students, today is your day to shine. Remember, the performances and presentations you have prepared are not just entertainment. They are a powerful message of love for our country. Let us all, as a community, take a pride in the work you have put in to make this event a great success. With that, I once again welcome you all to this special occasion. Let us embark on this journey of celebration and reflection together, with pride in our hearts and deep sense of gratitude for the privilege of calling ourselves Indians. Jai Hind! Thank you. I call upon Vedant Belekar for the next. Before starting everything, today, it is not a celebration, it's a testimony to the hard work, dedication, and brilliance of our students and the unwavering support of their parents and teachers. As we celebrate excellence, achievements, and the spirit of Greenwoods, It is a moment to reflect on the milestones achieved, the challenges overcome, and the growth that each one of us has experienced throughout the year. Without further ado, let us commence this celebration of talent and triumph. May the ceremony inspire every student to dream bigger, aim higher, and achieve greater. Let us begin by celebrating the exceptional performance of our SSC batch of the year 2023-2024. I am thrilled to announce that students have maintained its 100% record in the state board examination since inception, a feat that showcases the relentless efforts of our students and the guidance of our faculty. Request Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Yasmin Daruwala, to award the 10 standard toppers of the last academic year. Here we have in front of us Kavya Harpale, who had achieved 96.08% in the last academic year. Can we hear it for them, parents? Next we have Anushka Bongle, who has achieved 94%. Can we hear it for her? ये सब हमारे लास्ट ईयर के 10th स्टैंडर्ड टॉपर्स है पेरेंट्स, और 5 साल से हमारा 100% रिजल्ट रहा है. I call upon Pratiksha Pawar with 93.04%. Next we have Pranav Chavan with 93.02%. Next, Shravani Belekar with 92.04%. Parents, बच्चों के मेहनत के आगे आपकी तालियां कम पड़ रही है. Thank you so much. Attar Tazmeen, who has not come today, with 92%. Divya Sajeev next with 92%. We have other 3 students who have not turned up. Gadekar Ayush with 91.04%. Mohite Tanishka with 91%. Gauri Kauchale with 90%. Now let's move to the next segment, which is the Star Student Award that celebrates the shining stars of each class. The students whose dedication, passion, and hard work have set them apart as exceptional individuals. Now I call upon Mihira Sable from nursery class as a star student. The students are judged on how they are in the class, their academic performance, and the overall performance throughout the year. Can we hear it for the little girl? From LKG, we have Arman Roy, but he is not come today. Next, we have Ojas Mule from UKG Rose. Achieving this award is not a small thing, parents. Can we hear it louder? Y'all are not clapping, that's why they're not smiling. Vedika Gaude from UKG Lily. Next we have Pranjal Aparadh from First Iris. Swara Bhalera from First Lily. Look at the tiny cells and the big achievement they are getting. Parents, तालियां तो बनती है. Aradhya Potekar from First Rose. Netra Nagre from First Tulip. Their friends backstage are clapping more than the audience sitting here. Parents! Janvi Pawar from Second Lily. Look at her sweet smile without her teeth. Ruchita Khedekar, Second Rose. Advika Chavan from First Iris. Sorry, Second Iris. I'm sorry, from Second Iris. They are dancing, they are studying, they are minding their class. और क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है 5-6 साल वाले बच्चों से? That's louder. Swara Chavan from Third Iris. Arjun Raut from Third Lily. Purvi Hivale from Third Rose. Vedangi Arsul from Third Tulip. With the music. Devansh Gaikwad from Fourth Rose, Virus. Janvi Zada from Fourth Lily. They have given you music for clapping, plus encouraging. Adhay Gaikwad from Fourth Rose. Yes, that was louder. Tanvi Shetty from Fifth Iris. Children, show them how to clap. Tanvi Jaiswal from Fifth Lily. Netra Ganwat from Fifth Rose. I guess our students are there back. Sarthak Kadam from 5th Tulip. Prachi Wagh from 6th Iris. She is absent. Devang Bhujne from 6th Lily. Samiksha Masure from 6th Rose. The reason we are showing the star students because towards the end, parents go off. So you do not know what all are the achievements given by school. Advika is answered by 7th Iris. That is why we have shifted the prize distribution towards the start of the program. Shrutika Mote from 7th Lily. Shrutika's friends are there backstage. Swarali Bhosle from 7th Rose. Even Swarali has friends. Amay Kulkarni from 8th Iris. Amay, you have less friends backstage. Sorry, front stage. Vedika Zada from 8th Lily. Atharva Pawar from 8th Rose. Harshvardhan Patil from 9th Iris. Aditya Hiremat from 9th Lily. Manasvi Halure from 10th Iris. She is also a head girl. Sai Shinde from 10th Lily, the vice captain of Red House. Vedant Belekar, the head boy from 10th Rose. Head boy has lots of support, you know. This year, our under-14 cricket team achieved a phenomenal milestone by securing the second position out of 239 schools in the Zilla Parishad Cricket Tournament. Can we hear it for them? This is an incredible accomplishment and we are immensely proud of these rising cricket stars. We have Parth Swami, Sameer Mujawar, Aniruddha Pandhare, Shravan Tilekar, Sridhar Tilekar, many have not come, Advait Ghante, Rudra Ghule, Prathamesh Jagtap, Shri Pardhe, Anuj Raut, Soham Gaikwad, Rugved Maher, Srinivas Dhanure, Chaitanya Ghadge, Shreyas Hole and Devan Raut. They have won the second place for the Zilla Parishad cricket competition. Between 239 schools, I hope you all have heard it, parents. 239 स्कूल में से सेकंड पोजीशन जिला परिषद के क्रिकेट मैचेस में उन्होंने सिक्योर किया है. I would request Principal Ma'am to award the team with the tournament trophy. Three cheers for the cricket team. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Mohite sir, please come backstage. The students want you. So the cricket team wants their coach also to be along. So can we hear it from Mohite sir too? Securing the second position is not a small thing. Gaikwad, a star cricketer who has represented our school in numerous matches. Neil's exceptional skills have earned him a place in the under-15 Maharashtra state cricket team. Let us welcome Neil with a big round of applause. Till date, Neil has played over 207 matches and has secured 5,561 runs. That itself is an incredible feat. Claps for Neil. Neil? Neil, I'll let him stand now. We are talking about him. Moving ahead, we have Shreyas Mane. Shreyas Mane, who has been honored as the man of the match at the Khel Utsav Inter-School Cricket Tournament held in January 2025. Let's give him a round of applause. Moving on, we have Anika Nair, who has proudly represented Greenwood School in various tennis competitions. She was the runner-up in the prestigious Sakal School Olympics held in Pune. Let's give a warm welcome to Anika. Now we have Puranjay Kotwal, another remarkable tennis player from Greenwood School. He has brought home numerous awards and trophies, though our presentation could only showcase a few of his many achievements. Next we have Nirbhay Zadav, who secured a gold medal in the individual kumite category in the Inter-School Karate Championship held in March 2024. Let's hear it for him. I hope I pronounced it right. Kumite it is? Nirbhay? Now we have Amay Lambate. He's absent. Who earned a gold medal in the first Maharashtra Federation Cup Championship. For those unfamiliar with Viom, it is a traditional Vietnamese martial art form. Let's hear it for Amay. He is not come today. Advait Ghante has secured a silver medal in the second Open State Level Karate Championship. year, several of our students showcased their talents in the 8th Open National Taekwondo Championship, earning silver and bronze medals in the Yorgi category. It's difficult for me to pronounce too. They are winning it. Swapnil Bhosle was awarded the silver medal. Sia Shah also secured a silver medal. Rohit Wagile brought home another silver medal. Can we hear it, parents? बच्चे अवार्ड जीत रहे और आपकी तालियां कम पड़ रही है. Viraj Kumbhar earned a bronze medal. Viraj and Shrinesh Jorikal also received a bronze medal. Next we have Devansh Gaikwad, who proudly brought home a bronze medal in the under 10 category at the International Combat Sport Festival held in Mumbai. Congratulations, Devansh. Devansh is not here. Moving on, we have Sanskruti Indalkar, who clinched the gold medal at the... Okay, we have Devansh. Devansh, you are hiding. Moving on, we have Sanskruti Indalkar, who clinched the gold medal at the 2nd District Level Invitational Yongmudu Championship 2024. Well done, Sanskruti. Now we have Ira Lolke, who achieved the first position in the International Talent Hunt of Vedic Mathematics and Abacus. Heartiest congratulations, Ira. Up next is Samarth Mane, who secured the first position in the inter-school chess competition held in January 2025. Joining him in success, Yakshit Pujari secured the second position in the same event. Congratulations, boys. You have made us proud. I guess Samarth Mane is not there. Yakshit Pujari, can we hear it for him? Vedant Belekar, our head boy, who secured the second position in Saptaranga, an international inter-school solo singing competition. Congratulations, Vedant, for your wonderful achievement. Our head boy is busy, I guess. Our Little Star Olympiad champions. These brilliant young minds have brought home an outstanding 50 gold medals along with 6 silver and 11 bronze medals. What an incredible achievement. Let's give them a thunderous round of applause for making us proud and shine so brightly. I call upon Aradhya Anil Patil, who received a gold for English, gold for mathematics and a gold for EVS. She is not here. Aradhya Potekar, who received a gold for maths. Arush Anand Patil, a gold for maths. Should I call all the students together? Yes. Already they have been awarded by the Olympiad team. So I request all the little stars to come forward. All the Olympiad little stars to come forward. They all are the pre-primary who have written competitive exams which are not conducted by us. It is conducted by the international team, and they have written it, secured marks and achieved medals for what they are standing in front of you. And each one of them have got 2 and 3 medals for attempting English, mathematics and EVS subjects. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं हमें बचपन में कभी सिल्वर अवार्ड मिला है, गोल्ड अवार्ड मिला है, तो हम गिन के बोलेंगे हाँ एक खांदा बार. But these young ones before the age of 6 have achieved it. Look at them showing their medals and certificates. Can we hear it for them? Samrat Mane, who is here, who had won the inter-school chess competition. We now move to the final and most eagerly awaited segment of the prize distribution ceremony. Whatever competitions we conduct in school, whatever the students achieve, their house gets a +10 for the first position, +7 for the second position, and +5 for the third position. So now I call upon the head boy, the head girl, the captains, the vice captains and the sports team to come forward. We would be announcing the rolling trophy for the best house. Here we have all of them. What do you think, children sitting in front? Who is the house which is leading? Red. I guess only red house children are sitting behind. Chalo say red, yellow, blue, green. Red, blue, green. We are displaying it? No. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. It is the red house with 838 points. I request the head boy, head girl and the red house to come forward. These children, can we come forward, children? So the rolling trophy goes to the red house. But others have done equally well. The captains and vice captains are always doing their best, but sometimes the team is not that perfect. Thank you, dear children. Parents, a group of winners. Can we hear it for them? Smile.